What's up, guys? So 3 months, waited so freaking long, but it's finally here. So I haven't actually taken a look at it yet. I've only opened it just to make it easier and faster for you guys. All right. Oh shit. Okay, so as you can tell, I ordered from Mashimaro, full Alcantara. Got the white stripe right here just to kind of match up the car. M stitching right here. M logo. Oh hell yeah. People think I'm sick. That is freaking nice, dude. Holy jeez. Check that stitching out. Okay, so huge shout out to Mashimaro. Like I said, 3 months, over 3 months, but 100% worth it. I cannot wait to install this right now. Okay, so basically you have to disconnect the battery, negative terminal, black one, so the airbag doesn't explode on you. So I'm gonna try to like time lapse everything, so it's not just me kind of installing it, it's kind of straight to the point. But yeah, take that off and then you should be good. Okay, so we're just gonna wait a couple minutes for the battery and the car to fully discharge, so there's no current and the airbag doesn't fucking explode on me. But yeah, surprisingly this one hasn't like peeled or anything. Like, it's still in pretty good condition. There's no peeling or anything. This car is pretty much babied its whole life, so. But you know, I gotta step it up, get that Alcantara round top, flat bottom. Waited like 3 months for this, finally here. And it's honestly, and it's on the website gives you like a 3 month like wait period, and no joke, it was actually 3 months, maybe like 3 months and like 7 days. But I mean, it got here pretty quick. I think I got like a tracking notification that was sent out like on a Saturday, and right now it's Tuesday, and I live in Southern California, and it came from like Washington. But yeah, super freaking nice, and it's gonna look so much more better. I was actually gonna go with the LED one, but you know, I think this looks a lot better. Okay, looks freaking sick. Maybe, who knows, maybe in the future I'll get the LED one that like lights up when you like go up the rev. But yeah, next thing for sure is nasty like wooden trim. I'm gonna change that out pretty soon. Looks nasty. Maybe in the future I will get the red button. I just didn't want to wait. It was my only like day off, so I just wanted to kind of install it while I still had the chance, and I'm pretty impatient. But like I said, in the future I'll have it installed. I'll order it, put it on. It's double the work, but you know, I kind of want to rock this week, so super excited. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start removing everything. 2 like holes right here, get a screwdriver, pop these open, and then this should come out. After that, I'm gonna try to switch all the hardware, all like the buttons and everything, onto the new one. About an hour later, finally got the airbag out. So my best tip is when you stick it through the thing right here, try to keep the screwdriver as close as to the steering wheel and just pop it. Holy shit, dude, that took like an hour. I'm not even exaggerating, like an hour. All I used was just a Phillips head, normal Phillips head, and like I said, stick it in there and then have it as close to the steering wheel as possible and just push, and then you should be out. Okay, just quick update, just transferring off all the other electronics. It's recommended on the website. That way you know that yours works, just in case it fails or anything. But yeah, got it out. Took like a solid minute to take all this off, but we're getting there. Okay, so to remove the paddles, just remove this bolt right here and it should come off. Okay, so switched over the electronics to this one. All you really have to do is just that, and then make sure you wire tuck this so it's not like exposed or anything, and you should be good. That's it right now. I'm just working on putting over the paddles. Same thing. Slide the other one in here, just one right there, and then you'll have these cables to hook up to the other electronics. Finished results right here. Not too hard. Like I said, 3 bolts right here, and then one right here, one right here. Just unplug these for the paddles. These will come off, and then vice versa. Just make sure you switch out the electronics because you don't know if the other ones are bad or not. But yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just install it. I don't want to bore you guys, so just time lapse it. Steering wheel's on. Looks pretty good. Looks good. Good fitment. Okay, and make sure you torque it to 45. Should be good after that. Pop in the airbag, make sure we connect all these wires, and hopefully it works. Looks a lot better than the OEM one. Okay, so like I said, torque it to 45. I have this torque wrench right here. Got this on Amazon, 30 bucks. It's not bad. I've had it for like 2 years, no issues. So let's torque it. Okay, so I forgot to add, after you transfer all the electronics, paddles, this, everything, don't forget to transfer this little thing right here. I think it's for the horn or something, or the ground, because I almost installed the airbag without this, but you won't be able to anyways because it's attached with this. So make sure you put that in there, and then it's like this thing right here too. I don't know what it's for, but that comes off. Just put it on the new steering wheel and then just plug everything up. But yeah, just a quick reminder to do that because I freaked out for a minute thinking like it was missing or something, or like my wheels are wrong. But just do that, you'll be good. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, now it's time to plug in the battery and hope this shit doesn't fucking blow up on me. And let's hope I installed everything correctly. Okay, everything looks good. So this took me about, Jesus, like about 2 hours, only because the previous steering wheel was giving me problems trying to like pop the airbag out. But I'm sure if I did it again, it would take me like 30 minutes or so. Swapping over the electronics is super easy, maybe 15 minutes or so. Putting everything back together, easy. So like I said, let's put this back in. Let's put the battery back in. Okay, did not blow up. So this install was a success. But yeah, holy shit, dude, I was so nervous that this thing was gonna explode on me. Not that it should, but you know, it's always scary when you're always dealing with like airbags. But yeah, looks pretty good. I like it. It's like clean. I like it. I'm glad I went with the white. But like, let's take a look from the outside. This is my favorite part about it. Look. You can actually see it from the outside. So cool. Yeah. I haven't driven this car in about like 5 days or so, so I'm gonna warm it up, take a drive, and then just test it out. I don't know. It just feels more. Feels like a freaking race car, dude. I like it. I like the flat bottom. Looks freaking cool. Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna get rid of all this wooden trim, wrap it, and then I'm gonna get the start button, or not start button, but like the red M button later. But yeah, highly recommend it. Like I said, it took me like maybe like 3 months to get it here, but well worth it, you know. Looks good. Yeah. But yeah, I forgot to mention, so I got this off of Mashimaro. You get to customize everything you want. I mean, you can get carbon, you can get the LED one that like revs up, that lights up and stuff. Everything. There's like a different style kind of steering wheel too. I think it's called like a fighter jet one. And then if you want the OEM one, but just Alcantara, you can do that. There's any option you can think of, they have it on the website. But like I said, 3 months waiting period. That's the only thing that kind of sucks, but like I said, it's worth it because like the end result looks really good, like high quality. Even like the M, like it looks like it's like really good quality. I don't know. OEM fitment, no problems whatsoever. And I think he does like you send your old steering wheel and you get like $200 back from like the original purchase or whatever. I think it's like credit, either credit or you just get $200 back. But I want to hold on to mine because whenever I sell this car, I'm gonna sell this separately. I'm gonna sell like everything I've done to the car separately, like the wheels, all my bolts on separately. But yeah, anyways,